You made a video, that's great. And you put it on social media, that's good too. But what else? Hi, I'm James from LAI Video, and we are very much in our happy place when we make great video content. But we're very much in our sad place when we hear the message didn't connect. That's why we also help our clients form smart, effective placement strategies to reach your target audience, move them to action, and help you achieve your goals. Yes, we're talking about advertising. And to do that, I turned to Darcy, our head of digital advertising, to share the 3 things that we consider when placing ads, our secret sauce, if you will.
Thanks, James. When placing video ads, or any ads for that matter, we take an audience-first approach. We don't just put ads in one place like LinkedIn or Facebook, which are great. First, we define your audience. Then we target your viewers across numerous channels, wherever they go. A news site, their favorite streaming show, a Spotify station, or podcast, all of it. Our campaigns reach thousands of channels to reach your audience in ways that are relevant, safe, and brand appropriate. Once we understand your challenge, fundraising for a nonprofit, driving event registration, increasing sales leads, or recruiting great talent for your company, we build custom messaging and formatting. This could include a 15-second commercial, a minute-long explainer, a series of display ads or radio spots, or all the above. Our creative isn't just creative, it's also always curated for your target audience, their priorities, and how they consume their content. No matter how thoughtful our placement strategy is to start, we know a good campaign changes in real time. We regularly track your campaign's performance and make the adjustments needed to optimize your spend and creative assets. We always reallocate your ad dollars to better performing channels and even adjust the creative to maximize results. Finally, we share this data with you in an ongoing report. Our best campaigns work when we hear from you and your team on how it's performing. In summary, we create the right content to get in front of the right people at the right time.
Thanks, Darcy. Advertising can be one of the least fun, most confusing jobs for any marketer. But if you need new ideas or have some of your own, let's talk about your next campaign.